Go ahead, grab the cables with one arm at a time, crossing. Go ahead, cross, cross, beautiful. Get right in the middle of the cable machine. Have your hands where your elbows are slightly bent. Line up your hands with your shoulders. Elbows upward, pull back all the way, squeeze that rear delt. Breathe in on the way in, blow out on the way out. Shoulders are back and down, chest is up, feet, knees, hips are all lined up. You don't move your knees back and forth. Keep those abs tight and look straight. Look at his arms, they're not moving up and down. They're perfectly in the plane of motion, lined up with his shoulders. Look at his elbows are up. He's coming back, squeezing that rear delt. Look at how it's working it. Beautiful. Arms are perfectly straight. Look at the cables. They're perfectly lined up with his shoulders as well. You don't want to have it too high or too low, so notch it in where it's perfectly lined up with his shoulders.